Hello everyone. I hope all of you are fine and making good use of the time at home. In my last video, I posted a time-lapse video of a landscape that I made using acrylics. Today we'll be making a landscape using a drawing sheet, a soft brush, soft pastels, masking tape, scissors, and a pencil. Let's begin by applying masking tape to the sides of this drawing sheet. Let's begin with outlining this landscape with the pencil first. First up, I'll be using the sky blue color, and then I'll be using Prussian blue for the effects. Then we'll use the soft brush to merge the colors, and we can always use our fingers for the best results. Now we'll use white soft pastel for the clouds. We'll just merge the clouds from down below with the sky so that it gives a natural effect. And that's how our sky looks after completion. Now we have completed the sky, we'll be making mountains, and for that I'll be using ultramarine blue. Now I merge the color in the same way I merged the sky with the help of my fingers, and now I'm adding grey color to it so that it has a different effect. Now I'll outline the mountains with ultramarine blue again so that the mountains look a little bit big. Now I'm using white color for the snow effect, and also I'll be using ultramarine blue or grey color wherever necessary. Now I'm using charcoal pencil to darken the sides of the mountain so that we can give effects of the light source and also distinguish it from where the light comes. Now I'm using white color again to just darken out some spots of snow. So that is how our mountains look with the sky. Now I'm outlining the road and the area sideways. Now I'm using olive green for the bushes. For effects, I'll be using yellow color. And now we'll be coloring the road. For the road, I'm using grey color, and for the borders, I'm using a charcoal pencil. For effects, I'll be using a yellow color and also white and black color. Now since it's a wet road because it's a snowy weather, I'll show the effects by using white color in between and grey color. Now on the side of the road, I'll be making some boulders. I'll use grey color again for the effect. To make the trees, I'll use black charcoal pencil. For the branches and bushes, I'll use black soft pastel. Now I'll add snow to the trees. I'll add snow on the boulders as well so that it gives a little bit of natural effect. We'll add some snow on the roadside also. And for some final effects, I'll use charcoal pencil again. And that is how our end product looks like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy painting, everyone!